Trustworthy. In order to correctly spread the word of Islam, one must be trustworthy. The Holy Quran specifically mentions how the Holy Prophets, peace be upon them all, declared that they were trustworthy and only desired the benefit of others. For example, chapter 26 Ash-Shu'ara, verses 161 to 162.
When their brother Lot said to them, "Will you not fear Allah? Indeed, I am to you a trustworthy messenger."
As mentioned earlier in a previous chapter, when the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, announced prophethood, the people all agreed that he was trustworthy, even though many went back on their own words and denied him. This is mentioned in Tafsir Ibn Kathir, Volume 10, pages 622 to 623. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.